What's up, guys? It's Lucas back from Advantage Video, and today we will be showing you how to add blur to the back of your photo through Photoshop. Now this photo we're using already has blur on it, but we're going to show you how to add more if you want it, and just the technique in general. So first things first, you start with your photo, you come up here to select, come down to select and mask, and now up here I have the view as just an overlay. It's just easier for me to see. You go over to the quick selection, and now you're just going to highlight the area you want the quick selection to take. So we want the hand, and yeah, we'll take his sleeve too. Now there's going to be some rough areas. You're going to want to zoom in here, and just kind of clean it up here like that. A little bit too much there. You come up to refine edge tool. You're just gonna use this to catch the finer details, like the hair on his hand, or the edge of his knuckle, and that edge right there. Actually, need to come back to this, clean these up. Like that. And that looks pretty good. So now, there's a little spot down here I saw. All right. So now what you do is you hit the OK down here. So what you're going to do, and actually we should have done this before, but you come down here and you delete the mask layer, and so you have a background and then you have your hand cut out above it like that. Got your mask layer down here. You come down to filter, go down to blur, Gaussian blur, and then here you can add all that blur, make it completely blurry, take it down to add just a little bit more for more contrast. And with this method you're going to get a little shadow around the camera, but it still adds a pretty cool effect, like it's in hyper focus. So that's basically it to that little trick. If you want to do something like this and then have some cool text up here or whatever you're looking to do. But this is a neat little trick for in post edit to add a little bit more blur to the background, just to give it a little bit more contrast and pop to the subject of your image. Alright, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. We love to hear your guys' feedback. Let us know what you want us to do next, or anything else we can help you guys with. Alright, see ya.